Hi guys, here is the next Blender tutorial, and this one is about the hard surface modeling add-on BoxCutter, also made by Master Xeon. So let's activate it with this cube selected by pressing Alt and W. Now you get this blue border that indicates that the BoxCutter add-on is active, and you can hold the Control key down, draw a box shape, and once you release the mouse button you cut into the cube like that. Okay, we know features like this already from the Carver add-on, for example, but have a look at this one. Again, I draw in the box, then I press the 1 key on my keyboard to activate the X mirror, and bam, isn't that nice? Now let me add some bevels again, and then I use Hardops in combination with the box cutter, press Q, then select C sharpen for nice bevels and sharp edges. And I'm able to do this with the box cutter mode still active. Alright, now I press the D key to open the options of the box cutter. Here we can select the shape, for example a circle, box or n-gon. Let's try the circle first. I snap the view, draw in the circle, but we still have the mirror activated, so I press the 1 key to deactivate it, then I press space 1 time to be able to define the position of this circle. Then I release the mouse button and it is cut into the object. But I want to cut in really at the center of this object, so I undo this and show you the snapping feature. So I press D to open the options again and enable grid snapping. Now you can see the grid here and the red cursor that is snapped to the grid. And when I draw the circle again now this way, I can be sure that I cut into the object at the center. Amazing feature for accurate cuts. The grid can also be scaled, open the options again and set the grid snapping value. Okay, we used the circle, we used the box, now let's have a look at the n-gon. Again press D and select n-gons. With the n-gons you can define a shape by drawing lines. I hold the Control key down and each time I click, I set a new point for my shape. After I release the mouse button, the outline and the points of this shape are drawn, and I can still go ahead and move around the points of this shape. Okay, and now have a look at this. I hold the middle mouse button down and move the mouse to add a bevel to the corners, and then I press return to apply and cut this new shape into the object. So nice, and then I open Hardops to add the bevel again. Great, now I come back to the box shape and show you the next feature, which is rebool. One way to do this is to draw the box like so, and while you still hold the mouse button down you press the X key to change to the yellow shape, then release the mouse button and rebool is executed. And again, to make it look really great, apply Hardops C sharpen for both objects. Okay, what I also want to show you is how to use fast bisect. This is really nice, for example, for adding kind of sunken insets to the object. Press Ctrl and D to draw in an edge loop for the object, and again hold the Control key down, draw a rectangle, and new faces will be created. When you press the spacebar 1 time you can move this rectangle, and once you release the mouse button the operation is applied. Now we can go ahead and press E to extrude these new faces to the inside, and then use Hardops to add the sharp edges and bevels again. Nice, and I want to have this inset also on the other side, which can be done easily by using Hardops symmetry. Okay, but not for the x-axis, I have to select -y. Okay guys, for the rest of the video I just box cut a little bit around, using the features that I just explained. For this step, I don't want to cut through this little object, I want to cut to the position of the cursor. So I set the cursor position, then draw the box shape and hold the Alt key down before I release the mouse button. Alright, that's it for my short introduction video for the BoxCutter add-on. I really hope you like it, and if you like my channel then don't forget to subscribe. New tutorials will follow soon. Thanks for watching and see you on JNM.